One of the biggest misconceptions homeowners have about foundation settlement is that all settlement is bad. The truth is, not all foundation settlement is a problem. In fact, almost every home settles a little over time. The important question isn't whether your home is settled, it's how it has settled. Today I want to explain the difference between uniform settlement and differential settlement, because understanding the difference can help you recognize when it's time to call a foundation professional. Let's start with uniform settlement. Uniform settlement happens when an entire home settles evenly. Think of it like lowering a table straight down. Everything moves together at the same rate. The house stays level, doors and windows continue operating normally, and the structure remains aligned. This type of settlement is actually very common. As homes age and the soil beneath them naturally compresses, a small amount of uniform settlement is generally expected. In many cases, homeowners never even notice it. Differential settlement is a completely different story. This happens when one part of the home settles more than another. Instead of the entire house moving together, one corner, one wall, or one side begins sinking faster than the rest. That's when the structure starts twisting and shifting. And that's when problems begin showing up throughout the house. So why does differential settlement happen? Usually it comes down to the soil beneath the home. Not all soil behaves the same. Some soils are stronger than others. Clay soils, for example, expand when they get wet and shrink when they dry out. Sandy soils can shift under heavy loads. If different parts of your foundation are sitting on different soil conditions, they may not settle evenly over time. Moisture also plays a huge role. Heavy rainfall, plumbing leaks, poor drainage, or changes in groundwater can soften the soil beneath one section of the home. On the other hand, long periods of drought can dry out certain soils, causing them to shrink. Either way, uneven moisture creates uneven movement. Improper soil compaction during construction can also contribute to differential settlement years later. If the soil wasn't compacted evenly before the home was built, some areas may gradually compress more than others as time passes. So, how do you know if your home is experiencing differential settlement? One of the first signs is foundation cracks. Now, not every crack is a major problem, but wider cracks that continue growing over time deserve attention. You may also notice sloping or uneven floors, doors that suddenly stick or won't latch properly, windows that become difficult to open or close, cracks forming in drywall, or even drainage issues developing around the property. Sometimes homeowners notice several of these symptoms at the same time, and that's usually a good indication that the foundation should be professionally evaluated. The good news is that differential settlement can often be repaired successfully, but this is definitely not a do-it-yourself project. The first step is identifying exactly what causes the movement. Once that's determined, foundation repair specialists can develop a repair plan based on your home's specific soil conditions and foundation type. One of the most common repair methods involves installing steel piers beneath the foundation. These may be push piers or helical piers depending on the situation. These piers are driven deep into stable soil beneath the home. Once they're securely in place, the foundation is carefully lifted as much as safely possible and permanently supported to help prevent future settlement. Just as important as repairing the foundation is preventing additional movement in the future. One of the best ways to do that is by controlling moisture around your home. Make sure your yard slopes away from the foundation. Keep gutters clean so water doesn't overflow to the next house. Install downspout extensions to carry water further away. And if drainage is a reoccurring problem, systems like French drains or drain tile can help redirect excess groundwater before it affects the soil beneath your foundation. At Dalinghaus Construction, when we inspect a home, we're not just looking for cracks. We're trying to understand why those cracks formed in the first place. Is it normal settlement? Is it differential settlement? Is moisture involved? Is the soil expanding and contracting? Because once you understand the cause, you can recommend the right long-term solution. If you've noticed cracks, sloping floors, sticking doors, or other signs of foundation movement, it's a good idea to have your home professionally evaluated before the problem gets worse. At Dalinghaus Construction, we help homeowners throughout Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada identify foundation settlement issues early and provide permanent repair solutions that protect their homes for years to come. If you have questions about foundation settlement or think your house may be showing signs of movement, contact us today for a free inspection. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.